Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. If you're using Visual Studio Code 1.5.21 and you're having trouble saving an IPy or an IPython document, or otherwise known as a Jupyter Notebook file, save as, and nothing happens, don't be surprised. It is a bug that Visual Studio Code has known about for some time and has yet to fix. Again, file, save as on Visual Studio Code if you're using ipynb will not work. You have to save it and then Control S to get it to save properly. So keep that in mind and actually see if it saves. Nope, save doesn't work either. So you have to use Control S in order to get it to work. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope Visual Studio Code will fix this bug soon. Thank you and happy computing.